Get it. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Get him, boy. You better stop. You're gonna get hit. Get on the fucking ground. Give me that. I got him.
A suspect fled from officers on horseback. What most people do not realize is how much law had already been set in motion before he took a single step.
Nash, move forward. Hey. Hey, come on. Hey! Come on. Get it, Nash. Get that Batman. Get that Batman, Nash. Get him. Get him, Nash. Hey, get on the ground. You're going to get run over. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Get him, boy. You better stop. You're going to get hit. Come on, Nash. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Get that Batman, Nash. Get that Batman, Nash. Come on, Nash. Come on, Nash. Go. Come on, Nash. Get that Batman. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the ground. You're going to get run over by the horse. Put your hands in your pocket. Get your hands out of your pocket. Get on the ground. Come on, Nash. Come on. He just threw his head. Come on. Come on. Come on. Nash, come on. Get that man. Come on. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on, Bubba. Come on, Nash. Bro, you're not going to run us on the horse. You better stop. Watch it. Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Give me Jack. I got him. I got him, Zach. You're good. I got him. I got him. Zach, let go. I got him. Give me, or here, take. Told you you weren't gonna outrun us, bro. Go to the other side of the McDonald's. He was throwing stuff on the ground.
Other side.
Those are good boys. Good boys. That was where it was at, right? When we came into McDonald's?
Yeah, it's on the other side. You want to stay with him? I'm going to go because I saw right where it was at.
Go, yeah, go with him.
They started out over there. I saw the horses and then came down the sidewalk here by the fence line and then came through like where the sign is over here and then trotted through right here. Came right through here. Right through, and they were like, stop, stop! And then they called it in at the McDonald's.
Do you see her throwing anything?
I just saw arms flailing. That's it.
Come on. Yeah. You got him for a minute?
I got it for now.
I'm gonna go look where he was throwing stuff. Boy, that's a good boy, Nash. Got that Batman. It was a good job, Bubba. Good boy. It was a good boy. Should be like right here somewhere.
Where did he dump the 73?
They're gonna grab that stuff right now.
It was somewhere like right here. He started throwing stuff out of his pocket. So if you just get out and walk around, it was like small is the problem.
Yeah, I know.
It wasn't a lot.
Is that your bag right here?
Let me go grab some gloves. Hang on.
Good job on the radio, bro. It's really good. Really good.
You got a beautiful ride there.
Thanks. Thanks.
Hey man, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, good. Stand up for me. Turn around. Yeah, turn around. All right.
Am I under arrest?
Well, you're being detained right now, yeah.
For what?
Well,
Narcotics.
Possession of narcotics.
I said potential narcotics.
What did I do?
well, you're being detained right now, so. You have anything in?
No.
No? No weapons or anything? Come on over here to my car. Come here, please.
Come talk to me. I'm not gonna beat around the bush. They want you to trespass from here because you go in the bathroom and do whatever you do. I don't have time to deal with that right now, okay? See all this?
Yes.
We got stuff going on. So hey, you want me to go grab you something to drink?
Yes.
Yeah, just wait out here. Just wait outside right here. I'm gonna grab you something, okay?
So it looks like, I guess, this lady I have in my backseat, I guess she did a hand-to-hand with someone over there, 13. They tried to stop him, and he 10-8'd.
The guy 10-8'd?
Yeah, guy 10-8'd. And I think they got him over there, like the Burger King, maybe.
Okay.
Or the McDonald's.
She got it or she gave it?
I think she gave it. So I've just got her. I'm going to get her name and everything, but I think they're all down there. All right, ma'am. Not saying that you're under arrest and you're going to be arrested, but you're just not free to go right now. You laughing or what? Or was that a cough?
I'm just laughing.
You're laughing? Okay, what you laughing about?
I just thought of a joke in my brain.
Okay.
We'll search him and I'll throw him in my car.
All right. Hold on, what the hell is in that bag right there?
Oh, just food.
Food and what?
Chips.
Chips. Anybody Miranda's?
Not yet.
I ain't got that.
Okay.
I don't know. All right, come on, step on up, bud. You got anything in your pockets I need to know about? What's your name, man? Joe, when was the last time you were arrested, buddy?
Got out like 4 months ago.
What was you in there for?
For possession.
That's what I thought. Come on, let's go.
But I ain't made no possession today.
Yeah, I know. You had possession last time, but not this time.
What's your name again, brother? Oh, you're swapping the cuffs?
Yeah. You're not gonna fight with me, are you? That wouldn't be good, because this guy right here, man, he's...
Yeah, we don't want those problems. Gotta stay out of trouble, man.
No, I ain't do nothing.
Okay.
They just started chasing me in that ring and I got scared.
All right, have a seat. All right, listen, you have the right to remain silent. With that said, do you want to tell, you said you didn't throw some drugs down. Do you want to talk to me about that? That you didn't throw drugs down?
No, I ain't throwing no drugs down.
Okay.
These are yours, right? Thank you, sir. Where do you think he...
So I saw him throwing the stuff literally right in that corner of the McDonald's over there.
Yeah, he threw this.
Was there anything in
Yeah, just sandwich and
I saw him.
I was just running.
Well, what did you throw down? I mean, because maybe worst case scenario, we got littering or something. Who knows? What did you throw down? Just a sandwich or food or what? Listen, here's the deal. You're going to be on body camera throwing stuff down. So what was it? Is it food? Did you get some food from somewhere? Because you have food in that bag.
No, I just got scared. I started.
Yeah. Okay. Because their body cams are going to show you throwing stuff, dude. You might as well tell, hey, if it's food or something, we can deal with that. We got your little littering thing, right?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. All right, slide on in. Hang tight. That man said he didn't throw nothing. Y'all a bunch of liars.
Oh yeah. She's watching her body camera right now to see if she can get it better.
All right.
When you put in, I guess when you hook your camera to it, I guess it makes you put in an access code. And of course, it sent it to my personal email. But our laptop's not working, of course. It won't connect to the internet. And then on my phone, it didn't work. So I swear by memory it was right here. Someone could have picked it up, or it's in the bushes. It was very small what he threw. A car could have ran it over by now. The girl he handed off to, though, if they can get it on her, that's great. If not, I guess just jail for resisting. I don't know.
All right, ma'am, come on, step on out. This officer right here is gonna search it real quick.
I guess camera is the dude can't be here for another hour, 2 hours before he can get here to access the camera. So you think he dumped something before here too?
Yeah, I think it was all right there in that McDonald's. Hey man, I'm gonna toss this out. Is that cool? I'm gonna throw it away. You can't take this into jail, is what I'm saying.
If you end up going to jail, we're going to throw it in the trash. You can't have it in the jail, and we can't keep it for you. We don't have any other choice.
Yeah, all right. So I'm going to throw it out, okay?
I hate that our laptop won't work.
I've got everything's done. I got the cursor between two lines. If you just want to knock out a real quick narrative.
Yeah, I can. Are you comfortable holding him?
Yes.
Okay.
He's bigger than me, but I think he'll be all right.
If he tries to eat the grass or pull back to them, just, yeah. Okay. And just watch your feet.
That's a good horse. That's a good horse. Hey, look here for a selfie. Yeah.
Oh, that's not a horse.
A police horse.
Do you know how to ride a horse, Dad?
Yeah, I've ridden horses. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but I've got one right here. See?
Like, I could
And he's a
probably
good
get on
horse.
it and not fall off immediately.
Yeah. Oh, you're funny. That's not nice, Mary. See? They even, this one don't have. They actually normally have badges right there on their chest. There's one right here. My daughter's a horse freak, so we're FaceTiming. See, they got their own badges too.
Did they catch the guy?
Yeah, they're on a horse. How are they not going to catch him? He was on foot.
What are these people down there thinking when they come out and galloping on a horse?
You use the word thinking. There's your first mistake. See? He's even laughing at you. All right, well, let me let you go. I actually have to do some work today. Love y'all. Bye, buddy.
You don't have anything else on you, do you? Can't have nothing on her but a crack pipe. We can go back and look at that area. Yeah, let's do that if you guys don't mind. They're gonna go check one more time at that spot, and if not, then you got a crack pipe. And was she resisting? No? No? Okay. I would love for them to be able to find it.
The question is not whether he ran. The questions are what authority the law granted those officers, what limits it imposed, and what happens when the evidence disappears. This incident activates standards from 4 distinct areas of constitutional and statutory law. Each applies at a different moment. Each leads to a different outcome. Terry v. Ohio, 392 U, S11968. Direct observation of a hand-to-hand transaction establishes reasonable articulable suspicion. Authority to stop both parties vests immediately. No warrant is required. Illinois v. Wardlow, 528 U.S. 1192000. Unprovoked flight from law enforcement is a legally operative fact. Combined with an observed transaction, it satisfies the threshold for probable cause to arrest. Florida Statute Section 901.15, Warrantless Arrest Authority. An officer who directly witnesses the commission of a misdemeanor may arrest without a warrant. The observation is, the warrant, Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting without violence, first-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in county jail. The offense is complete the instant a subject flees a lawful stop. No drug recovery is required. The act of running is the crime. Graham v. Connor, 490, U.S. 3861989. Force is evaluated under an objective reasonableness standard. The question is not what a reviewer concludes in hindsight. The question is what a reasonable officer knew at the moment of decision. A horse used as a pursuit platform is not a weapon. Its deployment in a foot chase falls below intermediate force on the use of force continuum. Continuous verbal warnings throughout the pursuit satisfy the notice requirement under Graham v. Connor. Florida Statute Section 893.13, Drug Possession and Sale. Physical recovery of the controlled substance is a mandatory evidentiary element. The item was discarded on camera. It was never found. No charge under this statute could be sustained. Florida v. Bostick, 501 U, S4291991. A Terry detention requires only reasonable suspicion, not probable cause. Direct observation of the female suspect in the transaction satisfies this lower threshold. Detention is lawful. Formal arrest requires a separate evidentiary basis. Miranda v. Arizona, 384, U.S. 4361966. Custodial interrogation triggers Miranda protections. The on-camera rights advisement before questioning meets the constitutional threshold. Statements made after proper advisement are admissible. Florida Statute Section 893.147, subsection 1, drug paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Section 893.145, subsection 12, expressly includes crack pipes in the statutory definition. Physical possession is sufficient. No evidence of active use is required. A withhold of adjudication under Florida law is not a conviction. The court accepts the plea without entering a formal finding of guilt. Under Florida Statute Section 943.0585, this distinction affects eligibility to seal or expunge the record, a material consequence most defendants do not understand at sentencing. Evidence lesson. An officer can witness a transaction. A subject can discard contraband on camera. If the item is not physically recovered, no drug charge can survive. Testimony alone does not substitute for physical evidence at trial. Flight lesson. Running from a lawful police stop creates a separate criminal offense at the instant of departure. This is independent of the underlying crime and independent of what is or is not recovered. The act of fleeing is chargeable on its own. Force lesson. Proportionality is determined at the moment force is applied. A court does not ask whether force was necessary after the fact. It asks whether a reasonable officer with the same information would have made the same decision. The charging decisions in this case reflect what the evidence could sustain, not what was observed. A witnessed drug transaction produced no drug charge. A misdemeanor flight produced a guilty verdict. Is this how the statute was intended to operate? What would have changed if the discarded item had been found? What charge would Jordan have faced? Would the withhold of adjudication still have been available to Alexis? The law has answers to those questions. This case did not get to ask them. The law answered some questions that day. It left others open. The right charge, the right evidence, the right outcome. Each one depends on facts that do not break the same way twice. The analysis is not finished.